You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this word and more confusing vocabulary and names like this one. Can you pronounce it? Well, stay tuned. Linen. Linen. Oh no, it's not linen. You thought it was. Linen is how it's said, the name of this fiber or fabric. Linen. It's actually how you pronounce it. And now you know. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate the support. More videos for you here to learn more confusing vocabulary, including from fashion. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.